Here's the monkey skull. It is a large species of osprey and is the national bird of Zambia and Zimbabwe. It is also called the tricolor bird because of its white head and neck, dark brown body and legs, and black wings. It weighs 3.5 kilograms and is about 63 to 75 centimeters long, with females being larger than males. It is distributed south of the Sahara Desert and lives by catching and eating fish along the coast, lakes, rivers and inland waterways. Distributed from southern Canada to the southern tip of South America. They inhabit a variety of open and semi-open areas, including subtropical forests, shrublands, grasslands, and deserts. They feed almost exclusively on carrion. They use their keen eyes and sense of smell to find prey, and they fly low enough to detect the gases produced when the decay process of a dead animal begins. The body length is about 90 centimeters. The entire body is brown, and the head and tail are white, but young. Birds have a brown entire body. They mainly live on the coast or near large lakes and build nests on tall trees. The body length is about 90 centimeters. The entire body is brown, and the head and tail are white, but young. Birds have a brown entire body. They mainly live on the coast or near large lakes and build nests on tall trees. It breeds in southern Europe and northern Africa, northwest India, Central Asia, and southern Africa, and winters in eastern and southern Africa, and South Asia, including India. It lives in open forests, mountainous areas, shrub forests, and grasslands with few large trees. Eats mammals, birds, and reptiles. They are highly gregarious and aggressive. Although it is small, it is a dominant species when eating. They are identified by their long legs and red exposed skin on their cheeks and neck. The body length reaches 40 to 50 centimeters. It is distributed from Florida, Texas, Arizona, Cuba, and the Isle of Pine south to the Falkland Islands and Tierra del Fuego. It mainly eats rotting animals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. The body length is about 90 centimeters. The entire body is brown, and the head and tail are white, but young. Birds have a brown entire body. They mainly live on the coast or near large lakes and build nests on tall trees. They mainly eat fish, but they also eat birds and mammals. It flies by slowly flapping its wings, and when it catches the rising air currents, it flies in circles with its wings spread. Its origin is Spain, Asia, and Africa. It is mainly distributed from Central Asia and Eastern Africa to Spain, and inhabits rocky areas and mountainous areas. Their diet is carnivorous, and their main food is dead animals. The size is about 95 centimeters to 125 centimeters, and the weight is about 4.5 to 7.5 kilograms. The back is brown and the belly is yellow-brown. The name white-tailed eagle came from the fact that the eagle has a white tail. It is native to Asia and Europe, and lives on coasts, marshes, and lakes. Their diet is carnivorous, and their main food is rabbits, trout, and ducks. The size is about 69 to 94 centimeters, and the weight is about 3.1 to 6.9 kilograms. The Andean condor, found in the Andes Mountains and along the Pacific coast adjacent to western South America, has a wingspan of up to 3.2 meters, 10 feet 6 inches. It is a symbol of Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru, and plays an important role in the mythology and folklore of the Andean region. It is designated as a vulnerable species by UCAN.
Un cóndor andino hembra, cuando abre las tiene un pichón, cuando se acerca a defender al borde de la jaula, está en cautiverio, hace este sonido y además es otro resoplido.
It has a body length of about 91 centimeters, a wingspan of about 2 meters, and a weight of about 6.5 kilograms. It is a large eagle, and it is also known as the monkey-eating eagle as it mainly preys on monkeys and leather-winged monkeys. A pair hunts together, with one baiting the bait and the other quickly raiding the group of monkeys. In addition to monkeys, they also eat palm civets, rats, snakes, flying squirrels, birds, and bats. The body length is 85 to 105 centimeters, the wingspan is 185 to 230 centimeters, and the weight is 2 to 5.3 kilograms. It is the largest bird of prey in Australia. It has long wings and long, wedge-shaped tail feathers that stand out. Except for farmland, it lives in various places such as plains. I live alone. When hunting, oyster rabbits are their main prey, and they also eat medium to large mammals, birds, reptiles, and carcasses. The body length is about 1 meter and the wingspan is about 180 to 224 centimeters, making it the second largest sea eagle after the 250 centimeters wingspan. Females weigh up to 9 kilograms and males weigh up to 4 kilograms. It lives in the forests of Central and South America, from the southern tip of Mexico to northern Argentina. Its main prey is sloths and monkeys that live in the treetops of tropical rainforests. The body length is 62 to 70 centimeters, the wingspan is 166 to 188 centimeters, and the weight is 1.2 to 2.3 kilograms. Like an osprey, its wings are long and narrow compared to its body length, making it look like a very large eagle. It does not have sharp claws because it is more advantageous to have short toes when hunting while tangling with snakes. Distributed in southwestern Europe, Central Asia, northwestern China and India. The wingspan is 57 to 63 centimeters, the tail length is 31 to 35 centimeters, and the weight is about 4.4 kilograms. Its beak and claws are sharp, making it suitable for capturing animals. It lives deep in the mountains and eats hares, pheasants, mountain birds, grouse, and snakes. It is distributed throughout Korea, Asia, Europe, and the United States. The nest is made of thick dry branches in the crevices of rocks on mountain cliffs. In winter, they also appear on the plains and coasts, targeting waterfowl such as ducks. It is distributed throughout Korea, Asia, Europe, and the United States. The nest is made of thick dry branches in the crevices of rocks on mountain cliffs. In winter, they also appear on the plains and coasts, targeting waterfowl such as ducks. It is a large eagle native to sub-Saharan Africa. One of the largest and most powerful vulture species, it is a fairly opportunistic predator that varies its prey choices among mammals, birds, and reptiles. Their hunting techniques are unique as they are one of the few vulture species known to crouch in their quarry and hunt primarily from high altitudes. It lives in savanna forest areas. It is one of the Old World eagles found in South Asia. The body length is 85 centimeters and the weight is 3.7 to 5.4 kilograms. It was a species that lived in South Central and Southeastern Asia. Currently, it is mainly found in open spaces, farmlands, and semi-desert areas of Nepal and northern India. The body length is 109 to 127 centimeters, wingspan 249 to 300 centimeters, tail length 33 to 38 centimeters, and weight 8 to 14 kilograms. It has a large body and its wings are long and wide. The tail is short and square. It is a resident bird that lives in dry low hills and mountainous areas. It mainly eats large mammal carcasses. They use caves or large trees as nests, but do not build separate nests. Distributed in the United States and Mexico.